Pipitasin ko na ang aking tinanim na lettuce.
Grandma is harvesting the lettuce in our backyard. We're so lucky that Grandpa and Grandma are hard working in planting.
Isang araw, nag-ano rin ako eh. Nagsinigang ako ng lettuce. Damihan ko ba?
Ang ganda ng lettuce. Fresh na fresh. Saka ang ganda ng ano. Walang sira.
Ang dami na nito.
Ayan, pwede na yan.
Saka na lang kukuha ulit.
Birthday ng aming king.
Hindi mo
Tumutubo na ulit ito. Okay.
Let's go.
I think you better go on that way. On the other side. Hi, Babs! How do you get there? Okay. I think you can go this way, like Peppa.
Oh, wait.
Hi! In Grandma's garden.
Over there. This is for Grandma, this is for Grandpa. Because Grandma's short and Grandpa's
Okay. They're going to get a fresh lettuce.
How are we going to do this? Oh, just the leaves?
Yeah. Just, ayun oh.
Huh?
The way how Peppa did oh.
Oh, okay. Oh, I want that one. Hey, there's a leaf on my butt. My chickens. Oops.
Good job ah. Marunong ah.
When I pick landscape next year in one of my electives,
Oh, yes.
7th grade landscape.
So you're gonna learn how to plant?
Like gardening.
Go the way ate.
I saw an ant on the leaf.
It's okay, that's normal.
Because we're gonna wash them. The ant will die.
Ayan oh.
There's ants on the bowl.
All we have to do is wash it
Ants in the bowl.
and then eat it.
You can't just eat it straight.
Dahil nagko-Korean barbecue kami, masarap siya sa meat.
Lettuce.
Yeah, yung lettuce na yan.
Got a big one. The ones over here. Oh, I just peeled them off.
Ate,
Oh, never mind. Oh, this
show it to me, Julia. Ay, Peppa. Ayan. Damihan nyo. Ayan. You're not even use your gunting.
Look at my hat.
Grandpa is over there.
My legs. butterfly.
Oo nga.
So what? Butterfly? Stop trying to eat the butterfly. Mommy, he ate the butterfly.
Yung alin, yung chicken? Oo nga, no.
He's trying to eat the
Ito
butterfly.
ka niya. Ha?
Hey. The butterfly.
Ayan. Kunin nyo yung mga malalaki.
I know. Trying to get closer. It's so easy to cut.
Next time, ang harvestan nyo naman yung ano, grapes.
Yeah.
Ayan o, ang daming
Hey.
grapes.
Mommy, they're big ones over there.
Oo. Ayan, sobrang dami.
Mommy, is that enough already? My eyebrow.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah. I wanna see.
They're
what
waiting
this
for it. Come on.
is. You know, wash them and then eat them.
Okay, kuya, lahat na yan. Okay na. Yes.
Check mo. Huwain mo na yung mga ano bago ma-burn yung iba.
Okay.
Huwag maging too dry. I hate those. Pakainin nyo lang kasi yung mga tira. Tsaka mga ito.
Taste mo na yung lettuce na kinuha natin from the garden. Okay, sige. Taste it na.
I was eating oranges. We need to fold it first.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, we don't have any more of the wrapping thing.
Wala na.
What?
The rice paper.
Ooh.
Mm.
Ooh.
Sarap ng lettuce.
Mhm.
Oh, masarap yung barbecue.
The barbecue. But delicious. We're barbecuing, not cooking, grilling right now. Look. Wow. How do you lower it? This? Oh, that's
Seryosong bata, oh. Yeah. Sesame oil. Yeah, that's what we use here in the barbecue. Pwede na rin kayo kumain. Yun ang soup. Habang nagba-barbecue kayo.
Is it supposed to be, I don't know, like pinkish?
Tapos, yung lettuce na kinuha nyo,
Wow, it's from the
garden.
Garden lettuce. Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Doesn't Emma close anymore? Does it close anymore? Broken. That one doesn't close too.
Ito naman, soup.
Corn now it's cooking. That's all for today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye. I'm a lobster. I don't have anything in here. Cheers, babe. Talaga. This is the made sushi inside. Ooh.
The soup is good.
My meat in first before the soup. This is gonna be hot. It's sparkling when I was cooking. A lot of times. It's sparkling a lot of times. Ew, who farted?
No, yung upuan yun.
Oh. I said the one. Let me just right next to it. That was you.
Ang tagal mo naman prepare yung pagkain mo.
Well, finishing my pumpkin. It doesn't take.
Sige, isang subo na.
Wait.
Yung lettuce mo.
No.
O, kainin mo.
Not bad. But not amazing, amazing. But tastes great. It doesn't taste like the Korean barbecue. Because there's no seafood except the seaweed. Except the seaweed. The seaweed.
Kaya nga all meat nga tayo eh.